Hi guys, it's me again, Ntando aka Cortez, and I'm back with another video. But this time it's a vlog, guys. Ngivlogela semcimbini kumhlonyana, ngazi umhlonyana kabani uTsakani basimemile. We were supposed to go as a group, but obviously December manje abantu bavakashile and so I'm only going with my mother. It's only my mother and I. So yeah, we're going there and we are late already, guys. We are already late, but okay, yeah, we are going there. Come with us to umcimbi ka-anonymous. Ngadlala, just kidding, just jokes. It's not anonymous, but like, yeah, angimazi umnikazi womcimbi, angimazi osingayo, but we are going there. We are going Taco Blue. So yeah, hope you guys are gonna enjoy this one. Hello again, guys. So sesibuyile sengisendlini, and yeah, I mean, sifike sophela, like sophela umcimbi. Imagine sifike sophela umcimbi, like literally 2 songs and then bavala. It's so yummy. But yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Next time I'll do better. Next time I'll do better, guys. Next time I'll do better. But yeah, guys. Next time so I vlog and not ending and yeah, love you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Love you guys. See you on the next one.